Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is LeetCode permutation 2 problem. In this we have given a num array. We have to find the permutation of this array. Okay, how uh, I mean as it is given a collection of numbers nums that might contain duplicates. Return all possible unique permutation in any order. Okay, so we have to return the possible order of this array. Okay, so what we are going to do, let's declare a 2D vector array, vector int ns, let's name it ns, then sort the num array dot begin, then nums dot end. Okay, then we will going to use do while loop. In this ns dot pushback, in this nums value will be pushed back into ns. Then while statement would be like next permutation. Next permutation is the STL function which we use to check if there is a possibility of permutation in this array. Okay, it would be something like nums dot begin to nums dot end. Okay, now let's return the answer. Okay, there is issue. ans, now run. Yeah guys, so the code is working fine. It beats in runtime 74% of the submission, and in memory 97, almost 98. Okay guys, so yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.